Guys, I don't even know how to make this entertaining. So what I have here are receipts. These are receipts that I got from a vending run. Now we all know that we need to file taxes at the end of the year, right? Tax time is literally right now. I've already filed mine this year, but I've actually had more than one person at this point ask me about the paperwork that I do in the videos. So today we're not going to be entering the actual paperwork that I do in the videos, but today we are going to talk about how to put regular expenses into Vensoft.
All right guys, so let's get right into this. We're gonna minimize that there. And so this is Vensoft. This is what everything looks like on the screen. It looks awesome to me because I'm sitting on a huge TV screen that I put up so I can edit better. Anyway, so let's go into expenses. So it's gonna be this one right here. Expenses is gonna be your tab for anything that's not product. So if you have any sort of expense that's associated with your business, you're gonna make sure that you put it in this system. That way at the end of the year when you go to file your taxes, you have all of your deductions. So we're going to create an expense with this little button right here. We're going to add a category. Now there's a whole bunch of different things you can do. What I'm going to be showing you guys today is fuel receipts. Now what you're going to want to do with your fuel receipts, you can either do it with your phone or you can do it with your webcam. Because I'm using OBS to record right now, I can't actually take a picture of this with my webcam, and that's what I would normally do. So we're going to use my phone real quick. We're just going to pull up the camera and we're just going to snap a photo of it. Bam, photo. So now that I have that photo, I can send it to myself in my email, right? So what I did is I saved the photo that I just took with my phone onto my computer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to read right off of this. First, we're going to find the category that it goes into, which is going to be fuel. You can make up categories, but I try to keep what's just there. And the date that it was entered is going to be on the receipt. So you locate that, and on this specific receipt, it is 2/08/19. So this was February 8th, 2019. So we'll punch this in here. The 8th. And the amount was $10. So we're just going to enter $10 in the amount. Description, I just typed gas in the description. You can put whatever you like there, something that helps you understand what you've got there. And the payee is going to be, in this specific case, this came from the Station Market in White River. Now you can see that something popped up there. That's because I've already been there before and I've purchased gas from them before. So now we're going to choose a file. And this is going to be in my camera roll. And you can see that I've taken a whole bunch of photos of receipts here. And this is just how I do everything. So we're going to grab the last one. We're going to open it. And then we're going to click Save. It'll upload the attachment. And then you're all set. You have to do that for every receipt that you get with Vensoft. But at the end of the year, when you go to file your taxes, everything's going to be so much easier. You can go into your reports and you can print off your profit loss, everything that you're going to need, which is going to work out really, really well for just about anybody. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it and I hope it helped you. Now do me a huge favor. Remember to love life, live your dreams, and as always, be farnsworthy.